What's up, tribe? This is Justin, Elevate Credit. Today is day 208. How to make sure your business is lender compliant. So, thank you guys for following this journey from day 0 to reuniting my wife, my son here in the U.S. We're talking credit repair, business funding, real estate investing. Just take that next step to achieve that next level. So, today we're talking about making your business lender compliant. So it's always a good idea before you go out and apply for any type of funding, whether it's personal or business, but specifically business, you want to know what the underwriters require. You want to know what the requirements of the lending products are. There are requirements. And when it comes to a business, it has to do with making sure that your business profile is set up correctly so that the lenders and underwriters, it's easy for them to find this information. It exists, it is there, and it's easy for them to find all this information and to close the deal and get the funding into your bank account. So there's a lot of different aspects to business funding. Of course, you want to make sure that you have a legal entity set up, not a sole prop. LLCs are the best for business funding. You want to make sure that you have an EIN with the IRS. They're not going to lend to you unless you have an EIN. A business name, obviously, it's ideal to have a name that's in a non-high risk industry. There are high risk and there are low risk industry. Business consulting, professional services, those are low risk industries. You want to have an address, right? And it can't be like a digital address. It needs to be an actual physical address. Those work the best with a commercial address that's tied to the property. Of course, you want to have your NAICS code. Your NAICS code is what type of business that you have. Again, a non-high risk business is something that you want. You want to make it easy for these guys to, give you the funding. They're going to ask different types of questions around income. How much is your business making? And what they're asking is not how much it's making now, but how much do you expect it to make for the year. I'm always expecting my businesses to make a lot of money. Therefore, that's the number I'm going to put in the annual income box when I fill that out. And of course, there are many other areas, you want to have your business, set up correctly. Those are some of the basics, though. Those are some of the basics that lenders will be looking at before they close the deal. Also, if your bank account, if you don't already have a business bank account set up and revenue coming in, because it's easy to get revenue-based financing, and that has to do with your bank rating. And your bank rating, your bank will give your business a rating to your business account based on the deposits that are coming in each month and the withdrawals that are going out each month. So that's very important. If you don't have that set up, you can use personal assets to collateralize the loans or the lines of credit. It's possible to do that. So there are many different ways to get business funding, but it all starts with making sure that your business is set up correctly so that it is lender compliant, and these lenders and these underwriters can easily find the information, verify it, and get the deal done. So thank you guys for following. Remember to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, leave a comment. It helps the algorithms. Check out the link. We have ebooks, e-courses, dispute letters, trade lines. If you're interested in one-on-one, we can do that as well. Last but not least, to my son, Josiah, son, you are blessed, you are anointed. Remember to use credit responsibly, son, to your success. Salud.